Hello students, myself Nirav Rajan. Today we'll learn decimal to binary conversion for fractional value. Dear students, you know that in any of decimal number there are two parts. One is integer part and second one is what? Fractional part. In last sessions we studied about how to convert decimal to binary conversions in integer value. In these sessions, I am going to teach you step-by-step procedure for decimal to binary conversion of fractional value. Dear students, listen carefully. The decimal to binary conversion method for fractional value is little bit different. Here, I take 0.875 as a fractional decimal number. Now we proceed for its binary conversion. Make sure for decimal to binary conversion of fractional number, then we have to follow multiplication with base or radix. Here for our reference we use calculator. Now 0.875 is multiplied with base or radix of binary number 2. Then we'll get the answer 1.75. Amongst these 1.75, 1 is considered as a carry. So 0.75 is becoming remaining term. Now for the next step, we multiply 0.75 with 2. Then we'll get the answer 1.5. Here amongst 1.5, 1 is considered as a carry. So 0.5 is becoming remaining term. Now this 0.5 is multiplied with 2. Then we'll get the answer 1.00. Amongst this 1.00, 1 is considered as a carry. So now remaining term becomes 0.00. Now we assign LSB and MSB to the remainder. Dear students, listen carefully. There is change in position of LSB and MSB. At here, MSB is uppermost remainder and LSB is lowermost remainder. Here, arrow indicates the position of remainder for answer. As you can see here, in the answer, 0.875 of decimal number is converted into the binary form of 0.111. Now we take another example for decimal to binary conversion of fractional value. Here I take 0.78125 as a fractional decimal number. Now we proceed for its binary conversion. Make sure for decimal to binary conversion of fractional number, then we must have to follow multiplication with base or radix. Here for our reference we use calculator. Now 0.78125 is multiplied with the base or radix of binary number 2. Then we will get the answer 1.5625. Amongst this 1.5625 answer, we consider 1 as a carry. Now remaining term is become 0.5625. This 0.5625 is further multiplied with 2. Then we'll get the answer 1.125. Amongst this 1.125, 1 is considered as a carry. So remaining term will become 0.125. Now this 0.125 is multiplied with 2 in another step. So now we get answer 0.25. Amongst this 0.25, again 0 is considered as a carry. So remaining term becomes same 0.25. Again next step 0.25 is multiplied with 2. Then we will get the answer 0.5. From this 0.5, 0 is considered as a carry, and now this 0.5 is multiplied with 2. Then we will get the answer 1.0. Amongst this 1.0, 1 is considered as a carry, then remaining term will become 0. Now we assign LSB and MSB to the remainder. there is a change in position of LSB and MSB. Here, MSB is uppermost remainder and LSB is lowermost remainder. This arrow is indicate downward positions of remainder for answer. As you can see here, in the answer, 0.78125 of decimal number is converted into 0.11001 of binary number. Students, please focus on screen. There are some more examples for your practice. This way, we can convert decimal to binary conversion of fractional value. Dear students, we gone through different procedures of decimal to binary conversion for integer part and fractional part. Sometimes we need to convert whole decimal number, means decimal number in which integer part is there and fractional part is also there. And for that, we need to follow both the procedure which we'll discuss earlier. And after that, both the answer is combined together as a combination of integer and fractional value of decimal number. Okay students, be curious and keep learning. Thank you.